Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2025 Range Rover Sport takes the idea of luxury SUVs to the next level, blending powerful performance with refined elegance and cutting-edge technology. This SUV is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about doing it in style, comfort and with confidence. From the moment you see the 2025 Range Rover Sport, you're struck by its commanding presence. The sleek lines, muscular stance and distinctive front grille create a bold look that immediately tells you this is no ordinary SUV. The signature LED headlights and the smooth flush door handles add a futuristic touch while keeping that classic Range Rover identity intact. Every detail feels intentional, crafted to elevate the driving experience both inside and out. Under the hood, the 2025 Range Rover Sport offers a range of powerful engine options to suit different driving needs. The lineup includes a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine with mild hybrid assistance, delivering smooth performance and excellent fuel efficiency. For those seeking more thrill, there's a plug-in hybrid variant combining a turbocharged engine with an electric motor, providing impressive horsepower while reducing emissions. And if pure power is what you're after, the top-of-the-line V8 twin-turbo model doesn't disappoint, offering exhilarating acceleration and a driving experience that's equally at home on the highway or rugged off-road terrain. Inside the cabin, the luxury continues with impeccable attention to detail. Premium leather upholstery, soft touch materials and exquisite finishes surround you in comfort. The seats are designed not just to look good but to provide maximum support on long journeys. The dashboard is dominated by a massive curved touchscreen running the latest Pivi Pro infotainment system. This interface is intuitive, responsive and loaded with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and integrated voice control. Navigation is enhanced with real-time traffic updates, while the Meridian sound system delivers rich immersive audio, making every drive an experience in itself. What really sets the 2025 Range Rover Sport apart is its balance between luxury and capability. This SUV isn't just about good looks and comfort, it's built to perform. With advanced all-wheel drive systems, terrain response settings and adaptive air suspension, the Range Rover Sport can tackle everything from urban streets to challenging trails with ease. The off-road technology intelligently adjusts to different surfaces, whether it's snow, sand, mud or rocks, making it feel unstoppable no matter where you take it. Passenger comfort is elevated further with features like climate-controlled seats, available massage functions and a panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light. Rear seat passengers enjoy ample legroom and their own climate control settings, creating a first-class experience throughout the vehicle. Storage is practical too, with a spacious cargo area and the flexibility of split folding rear seats, making it suitable for both daily errands and adventurous road trips. Safety and driver assistance technologies are state-of-the-art in the 2025 model. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring and a surround view camera system help reduce stress during daily commutes and long-distance journeys alike. The head-up display projects key driving information onto the windshield, allowing you to stay focused on the road while accessing crucial details like speed, navigation prompts and safety alerts. Overall, the 2025 Range Rover Sport redefines what it means to drive a luxury SUV. It's a powerful statement of sophistication, offering cutting-edge tech, a plush interior and serious performance credentials. Whether you're gliding through the city streets, arriving at an upscale event or conquering rugged landscapes, the Range Rover Sport ensures you do it all in unparalleled style and comfort. For anyone in the market for a premium SUV that delivers in every department, the 2025 Range Rover Sport should be at the very top of your list. We'll see you next video.